such a nice site. We got all this delivered today, and all that back there. And I gotta go get another sticker for Dad, but a whole bunch more. Okay, I was going to show you how we did a wall, but I can't get internet connection, so I'm going to try to do it in this video, which means I have to break it up a lot. But these are 20-foot studs here, and they didn't have any 10-footers, which are what the wall is, what we're building right now. So we get these and we mark them, cut them in half, not in half, but we mark 10 feet because they're not all exact. And we just did that. I was going to marco it, but I couldn't. Here's all the ones cut up right here. We lay them out. This is a very simple, basic wall. It doesn't have any headers in it. There aren't any windows, so there's no jack studs or any cripples, but it's just all king studs. So it's very simple. It is actually, there's only 4 of these walls in the whole house. This wall, exactly, is what we're building on this side. So right now, Dina's nailing the studs in at the bottom, on the bottom plate. Then he'll come up on this top plate and nail them in, or on this one. And then this is the top plate that goes up high on the wall after. So, and then we'll put the sheeting on as soon as he gets it done. So I'll come back at that point.